without trees we cannot think to survive like these days. So people are cutting trees, so much deforestation is going on. Birds have got their nest on the trees. If we just go little deep into it, so I think it is everything. We get fresh air in the morning, and many of our disease we can cure ourselves through fresh air. Through small activities we can incorporate the feeling like trees and plants also have life. They can see themselves, though it's a slow process, but definitely if a plant is small, definitely it will grow also. So I think they have also life. We should also treat plants or trees as as ourselves, as we treat ourselves.
We shouldn't cut the tree, we should save the tree, because without tree we can't survive the life. I always water the plant in my trees because I have a small garden in my home. Tree give us so many things. Tree give us fruit, vegetables, whatever we want. Tree give us everything.
In our school times there were so many sparrows. In today's time we cannot see sparrow anywhere. I
Yes,
think they have.
ma'am.
And crows also, I feel like pigeons are there are so many pigeons, but I find crows very least in number these days. So I think we can see the impact slowly and steadily, but still we are not awakening from the sleep.
When we pluck the fruits from the garden and from the trees, so we taste is totally different compared to market food, market vegetables. Because when we pluck the vegetable and pluck the fruits, and when we eat, we feel like eating more.
Good morning, how are you, ma'am?
Yes, I am exceptionally well, thank you asking for me. What about you?
Yes, I am also doing good. For the past 2 days I was little under the weather, but today I feel much better.
Okay, so did you take any session today? And I am like first session.
Yes, yes, yes. Actually, I got one more email, but I was not in a condition to conduct two sessions. So, after talking to you, then I'm planning to take whole day rest so that I can regain my energy to take session for next day and to handle my household chores and to look after family. You
Yes,
tell me.
I have. Yes, ma'am. You know what happened? I completed my house chores by hook or by crook. Finally, we are connecting to each other, and in my side, everything is hunky dory. And yes,
Okay, okay,
and
that's nice. So, may I know something about you?
yes, ma'am. So as you already know, my name Pooja Verma. I am from UP. I live in Kanpur. I have completed my postgraduate, and um I have two daughters, and I have YouTube channel where I upload conversation video and short video, and I love uh, spending time with my all family members. That's all about me.
Okay, so you basically you are interested in conversation, or like you are saying that you post shorts also related to
Yes, ma'am.
grammar. Okay, okay. So all in all,
Yeah.
you are interested in language as a whole, like you want to learn everything.
Yes, ma'am, because I am enthusiastic about this language. So that's why I'm doing my work day by day. So I would love to know about yourself, ma'am.
Yes, my name is Vibha. I live in Faridabad, Haryana. I'm also a mother of two daughters. They are quite grown up now. They are 13 plus, so that I can take out time for myself. That was the reason I started running my channel near about 2 years ago. And since then, yes, I'm enjoying my journey. And yes, apart from that, I'm into the practice of meditation and yoga. And side by side, I love doing selfless act, feeding animals. So yes, these days I'm enjoying my day, and this way my journey is going on.
So do you provide like spoken classes at home, ma'am?
No, 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 no. Right now, actually, yes, due to my little health issues, I won't say that I'm suffering too much. I just want to give myself. I just want to give time to my health so that I can recover fully. Though as such, I have no problem. But means apart from running this channel, I feel like whatever time I get, I give it to myself. Like editing also takes too much of time, and then when you practice with someone, especially when you are in a journey of posting conversational videos, for that you need to practice also along with editing and all, practice is very necessary. If you are posting
Yes,
any
ma'am.
thoughts related to vocabulary or anything, that does not require any kind of practice. But if you are in a process of, if you are thinking of, give you something new, and if you are posting conversational videos, so definitely you want to work smart, means you cannot stay on the same level, else you feel like boring at a stage of time, like at a level of time I also felt like boring, because I can speak basic sentences. So at a point of time I was thinking what to do next, because I was quite means I was speaking, whosoever was asking me any question I was able to answer. But then I thought, let's move ahead of my basic sentences. For that, you need to practice daily. If with not with someone, so at least speak to yourself. So I think that also requires time. So along with taking care
Yes,
of my
ma'am.
health and running this YouTube channel, I just look after my health also, and side by side I practice also, because I need a lot of time to practice. Practice is something through which we can excel in something. Like you take any language or any skill. So I am giving these days completely to myself in terms of health, or you can say speaking practice. Yes, definitely. If I get some big opportunity, definitely I'm ready to avail. But for the time being, I'm just focusing on myself.
Yeah, it's great because first health is very first, after that is everything. And if you are healthy, if you are feeling well, so you can take care for others, you can do for others. Otherwise, it is not possible. We can do everything for them. And as you told, like editing part, so editing is very like toxic because we have to do every day, and sometimes
Yes,
we feel bored, and sometimes we feel like a headache problem during the editing. So it's happened
yes,
because I also I upload at least one long and one short, so I have to edit everything. But now I am enjoying this process, and I am learning this, I am into this language nowadays, so I don't feel any kind of bored, any like frustrated. But as you told, you have been working here for 2 years, but I have created recently my channel, maybe I think 20 20 17 video I think I have uploaded in my channel. So that's
okay,
the reason
okay.
I don't feel any bored.
Yes,
Yes,
you have
ma'am.
recently started, but as we go along with the journey, somewhere we start feeling, because it becomes our integral part of our journey. Like we cannot live without sleeping, eating. Same way is with this channel. Every time we keep on thinking what to give next to our viewers, what to give something different to our viewers. So in this bid, something you get frustrated, like leave it for some time. Let's take a break from it, but that is something which we always do mistake. We should never leave a gap. Instead you can cut down
Yes,
on
right.
something, but if you have started something, giving a gap, I think it's a big problem for us, especially for YouTube
Yeah,
channel.
because yes, because we never turn back, keep moving forward ahead. Because if you want to do something in your life, because I know very well homemakers don't have identity, but if you do something different, if you learn any skill, and you start teaching to someone, you start giving classes, and you join any school, and as well as you start earning money, so we feel like confidence and enough that I am capable to do something in my life. I don't depend to others. At least I can handle my own expenses.
Yes, yes, yes. Definitely. And once your children are grown up, I think you can spare that much time of yours for yourself. I feel like even if you are not thinking of earning, still if sitting at home, if you still learn something, so that never goes waste. I feel like. So you should, I
Yes,
think,
ma'am.
instead of sitting idle and wasting time, you should keep on learning so as to, upgrade yourself every time. So that's what I feel. Like even if I'm no many times I do not keep well, but still I feel like if I'm lying down even, I feel like to read a book or do something so that I don't waste my time.
Because
Every time I like to utilize time.
yes, because as a homemaker, as a mother, sometimes we feel bored. We don't feel like doing anything. But if we have little time, so we should utilize our time, because we know very well if I will if I will procrastinate my time, after that I will have to do another work. I will not get time for myself. But if we have little time, so we should utilize, we should learn something new, we should read, and we should watch. At least
Yes,
if you
yes,
want
yes.
to enhance your communication skills, and if you want to enhance your speaking part, so I think it's good for us.
Yes, and language is something which we cannot, get a hold on it until we practice. Practice is something which can, get rid of our, through which we can get rid of our hesitation and we can boost up our confidence also. It can be done only through practice, what I have observed. Even many times I talk to myself, but talking to myself is something different when we talk to some stranger or someone whom we do not know. At that time, we really come to know our capabilities. So, though I do not get time, means many times there are one or two colleagues with whom there are one or two of my friends with whom I try to communicate, but many times, our timings does not match up. Many times they are busy or the other way around. So I try to communicate, but it becomes not possible every day to communicate with strangers
Yes,
or
ma'am.
other people. So it's better I try to communicate myself. Means I try to be satisfied by talking to myself. At least I speak with myself in this language, so that is enough. So I think we should satisfy ourselves in some one way or other way, so that at the end of the day we feel like that we have done a little practice. You do practice in any way, but you do practice. Practice is mandatory to learn any language.
Yes, ma'am. Because I have WhatsApp group where I send message, and I talk to people through the audio call, through the video call. So at that way, I practice every day. I don't procrastinate my practice, because I think if I will skip any single day, and after that I will not feel like practicing again, because it's happened. We don't feel like practicing again because I skipped 1 and 2 days, 1 week. Again, we don't have to do.
Yes, yes, yes. And especially when you are not earning through this, through learning any language, you are at
Yes,
that stage and you are struggling. At that time, you feel like means you are not getting anything and you are, doing your hard work, keep on doing, and you are not getting anything in return. So in this way, sometimes we, are, what can we say? Sometimes we feel like let's take a break to give relaxation ourselves, but I think this is the time where we have to motivate ourselves. No one is there to inspire us. We have to motivate ourselves only. So I think
yes, ma'am.
definitely God is there to seeing our he's seeing our hard work, and definitely if we are consistent, so I think we become unstoppable. Nobody is there to stop us, or sooner or later definitely will attain our goal, that's I'm sure.
Yes, ma'am. So I have some question for you, ma'am. Can I ask?
Yes, yes, sure.
Okay. Why are trees very important for our life and environment?
Yes, definitely. Like we have been studying since our school days, we get oxygen from trees, and it is a integral part for our environment. Like without trees, we cannot think to survive. Like these days, so people are cutting trees. So much deforestation is going on. So definitely, and the way trees are going to be cut, that day is not far off when it will become very much difficult. People will start inhaling foul air. So it is all because greenery and tree. Birds have got their nest on the trees. If we just go little deep into it, so I think it is everything. We get fresh air in the morning, and many of our disease we can cure ourselves through fresh air. How are we getting that fresh air? Through trees, through greenery. This is some kind of natural gift of God. We should, we should take care of these things because these are natural things which we have gifted from the which we have got from the God, and we should procure it safely, and we should teach our children also from the even they get this knowledge from school or not. It is the duty of parents, because if we want our future, if we want the future of our country safe, so definitely we should inculcate these habits in our children to plant trees always. Like there is few plants in my balcony, and I always tell my children to water these plants. So don't waste water. If you have spare water, put in that plant, and this way they see the growth also. So I think through small activities we can incorporate the feeling like trees and plants also have life. They can see themselves, though it's a slow process, but definitely if a plant is small, definitely it will grow also. So I think they have also life. We should also treat plants or trees as as ourselves, as we treat ourselves. And if trees are alive, if they are around us, so we can think of a better life. Else we can all surrounded with we will be surrounded with so many diseases which can't be cured by taking any medicine. So I think we are alive just because of our environment, which we have gifted from God, and we should secure it like we treat ourselves.
Yes, ma'am, it's
What are
true.
your views on it?
Yes, actually, yeah, in my opinion, as you told, you spoke very well about this question. So, in my opinion, trees are very important in our life and in environment also, because tree give us oxygen and fresh airs and fresh vegetables, wood and shadow, and tree give us fresh earth, beautiful earth, and without trees we can't survive the life, we can't survive the human beings as well as animals, because birds are living in the forest and living in the trees. So I think trees are very important for everyone, and tree give us so many things. And we aware to people we shouldn't cut the tree, we should save the tree, because without tree we can't survive the life. Because when we feel uncomfortable and anything, so we go outside, we take fresh air, we walk in the park, and if we take fresh air, but without trees we can't survive the life, we know very well. So I think I always water the plant in my trees, because I have a small garden in my home. And I always prefer I water the plant, and sometime I we can say I sow the plant in the pot. So at that way I think we should, and people celebrate trees days. I don't know which day they do celebrate, I forget that day, because every years people celebrate trees days. I don't know which day they celebrate. So I think very trees are very important for everyone. Trees make us happy and more energetic to live our life happily and with their family, and also everything very important, trees and waters also.
Yes, yes. Like many times, you reminded me one incident. Like many times, I have heard that animals, just because of there are not many forests left in our country. So many times, just because of not getting any space, they just we have seen leopards or lion in villages or small towns. They are roaming around, like I have seen. And 2 years before, I have got this news also. I forgot that place, and they have killed, I think, few people also, just because they are not getting space. Forests have been killed just due to not getting enough space for
Yes,
buildings or to construct factories. So people want space, but they are not getting. Like if we cut trees, if forest will not be there, I think our whole system will be disturbed. Like everything to sustain this environment, animals, birds are very necessary, else whole chain will get disturbed, and it will somewhere we will be affected indirectly. So that we need to understand. Like you said, all the vegetables or the food which we are eating, so I think we are all getting from trees and farms. So I think we
yes,
must
ma'am.
think about the situation seriously, so as to secure our future.
Yes, because trees are very important for everyone, and nowadays, as you told, people build the home. People make them build the home, so they cut the tree, and there is no any specific place for animals. Where can they go? And forest has cut, mostly people forest has cut, so how can they live their life? And in mostly in forest there are so many animals, there is no water, and sometimes there is no any fruits, so they walk here and there, they moving forward here and there.
Yes, yes, yes. Because if plants will not be there, our water cycle will be disturbed. And we can see that so many species of birds have been already vanished. Like you can say, in our school times, there were so many sparrows. In today's time, we cannot see sparrow anywhere. I
Yes,
think they have
ma'am.
totally diminished. And crows also, I feel like pigeons are there are so many pigeons, but I find crows very least in number these days. So I think we can see the impact slowly and steadily, but still, we are not awakening from the sleep. That what are we doing? We are digging we are digging our grave ourselves, and we are not coming to know. Just in a bit to get little profit, we are doing all this. So that is very wrong, and we will come to know its consequences later on. But that would be too late to wake up from sleep. So I think right now it's an alarming time. We should wake up and try to think something seriously over it.
Yes, ma'am. Because we love the tree and we save the tree and we aware to other people we shouldn't cut the tree because tree give us so many things. Tree give us fruit, vegetables, whatever we want. Tree give us everything. We make like a table and table and chair from the tree. So there are so many benefit from the tree. Without tree, we can't survive the life. It's true. So people should understand and people should aware to another people also.
Yes, yes. And don't you think we get special kind of, affinity or attachment with that tree? Because definitely a tree cannot move, it cannot tell its problem, whatever he's going through, like he's standing in storm or in thunder or in rain, he cannot express. But when we see that so many fruits are there on the tree, so many vegetables, so definitely we can relate. Like it has also life. Like how is it growing? So definitely there is something inside us which we should also feel. Like so,
Yes.
I think we should treat trees also like they have also life, and definitely they do have life. The difference is only that we as human beings can express our pain, happiness, and they cannot. So I think instead of taking advantage from them who are all which are already giving us so much, we should also treat them very nicely.
Yes, ma'am. It's very important. We should water the plant every day because plants needs water every day.
Yes, yes, yes. And I think you are 2D attached with plants just because you have garden also. You are planting so many
Yes, ma'am.
saplings, plants.
Yeah, there are so many plant in my garden. Like I have a very big guava plant, and there are so many guava in this plant. And now guava are very small in my plant. And there are aloe vera plant and leaves plant, basic leaf plant. There are so many plant in my garden. So
Okay, so
I
have you grown?
always water the plant.
Okay, so you have you grown vegetable plants also? Where vegetable grows? Any vegetable?
No, ma'am, there is no vegetable in my garden because my garden is very small, not a big. Because in my there is one garden beside my home, so there is no big place. So that's why. But
Okay.
there is one park front of my home, but I go to walk for morning and for little time, but not a more time. But I walk and mostly I prefer morning time. And yes, I there is no any vegetable plant in my garden because there is no any place.
Okay, so tell me, I have never got a chance to eat a fruit directly from the tree. Means it would be quite fresh and sweet. So, is there any kind of difference between the sweetness or taste of a fruit which we buy from vendor or which we eat directly, pluck directly from like, own garden? Is there
Yes, ma'am,
difference
there
in
is so
taste?
many different because when we pluck the when we pluck the fruits from the garden and from the trees, so we taste is totally different compared to market vegetables. Because when we pluck the vegetable and pluck the fruits, and when we eat, we feel like eating more. And because
Yes.
this is fresh, this is totally fresh because we can see and we can pluck. But when we buy any fruit, when any vegetable from the market, we don't know how many days they have carry in the home, and after that they start selling. We don't know,
Yes,
and sometimes we don't get fresh vegetable because they
yes,
have been carrying the vegetable for the long time, and after that they say because they sprinkle the water every day because of freshness. So I think
yes,
there
yes.
are so many changes, there are so many taste is different according the vegetable food.
Yes, I think we in today's time, just for the namesake, we are eating fruits and vegetables. They are all stale, I feel like. And these days, even children like watermelon so much. But we have been hearing this news very often that watermelons have been injected. So somewhere we
Yes
feel
ma'am, I
like
also I heard.
yes, yes. So many times we were in dilemma whether to eat these fruits or not. So yes, but we have no option. Like I
Yes
was
ma'am, we have no option because I think I saw one reel, I think one week before, because there was one person, he was selling the watermelon, but you know they rive the watermelon for the injection. There is no any fresh watermelon, so we have to found this is fresh and this is infected and this is any like injection food. So I'd say when we eat, so we feel also we get infected because it's not good for our health. But I think we have no option when we go market, when we buy any vegetable. We don't know because we see the we see the vegetable, it's like looks like good, they can we can buy. But we don't know this is good and this is bad. We don't know inside but see the upside then we buy.
yes, yes. Even we do not come to know its outer part also, and even if we eat also, then we do not. Then even we cannot differentiate between the taste, which one is injected and which one is real. Sometimes we don't get any option but to eat. So I
Yes,
think
right
yes,
ma'am.
people must be little more aware, like just in a bit to have little profit. They are playing with people life. And
Yes
these
ma'am.
kind of things like mango, watermelon, these are children favorite fruit. Like they cannot resist themselves if they have seen it. So I think at that
Yes
time we
ma'am.
also become helpless. So yes, I think we should all think over this. Just for the little profit, we should not do all this.
Yes, ma'am. Because children likes watermelon, muskmelon, mango, guava, blackberry. There are so many like fruits available in the market, but we are not aware. We don't know this is fresh and this is infected.
Yes, yes, yes. That's why we have God, like we have everybody have has temple, but what we do, whatever we eat, we always offer that food to God, so that what are the impurities there in it, He just take away all those, and we get that food as a prasad, as an offering of Him. So we have now
Yes,
started.
ma'am.
We have been doing this for so long, but now we have become,
Yes, ma'am.
more strict doing this.
Yes, ma'am. So now I round up the session. It was nice conversation with you.
Yes, even I
Yes, nice
enjoyed
to
talking.
meeting you.
Yes, yes, yes. I got to learn something from you, and we have discussed something on very different topics. So I also enjoyed so much. Thank you very much.
Okay. Thank you so much, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Okay, thank you.